If you like chicken dishes, then you are simply going to love this divine, creamy Marry Me chicken. So let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. So what you want to do first is add some oil to a pan, and this is over medium-high heat. I guess about a tablespoon. Go ahead and add our chicken thighs in. Now I'm using about 8 boneless skinless here. I usually use skin on bone in, but today we're just going to go with these. And we'll go ahead and season these guys up with some salt. And of course some ground black pepper that I love so much. And we'll just let these fry for a few minutes until they're cooked through and become a nice golden brown. Okay, our chicken is just about done, and I always go by feel. You want a bit of a bounce on that. You don't want a soft sponge, just a bounce. And it's about 4 minutes on each side. So we'll just go ahead and set Mr. Thighs or Mrs. Thighs aside on a plate here. Okay, next up in the same pan, I'm going to add in a small chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, about half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, just for that heat, depending on how hot you want it. A good teaspoon of Italian seasoning, I just about use for everything. Then some fresh oregano or oregano, however you want to say it, fresh from the garden. And we shall just give this a stir and saute this until that wonderful, wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. I just love sauteing garlic. Now that wonderfully wonderful aroma of garlic has filled the air, I'm going to add in half a cup of chicken broth or chicken stock, followed by half a cup of table cream. I use table cream, it's about 18%, but you can use half and half, it's about 10%, whatever you like. Half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I just love these, and you can pick them up in just about any grocery store. Of course, half a cup of Parmigiano or Parmesan. Now we'll just give this a stir and bring it to a boil. Oh, this is looking so good already. Marry Me chicken. And see my spoon, guys? I don't know if you can get a shot of that. Cooking with love. That's perfect for Marry Me chicken. After a boil, I'm going to add those chicken thighs back in. And the history of this dish, Marry Me chicken, is the way the flavors just marry together, just super good. I wouldn't be plopping this in front of the love of your life and say, yes or no. It's to do with flavors, not marrying. But you can use it for that if you want. And we're going to spoon some of those delicious sauce, or that delicious sauce, over the top. Reduce the heat, and we're going to let this simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. So yummy. After about 7 to 10 minutes, guys, we are done. And oh my goodness, I tasted this sauce and it is, ooh, doggies cooking good. No, really, it's so good. So we shall just go ahead and serve this up. Oh, does this smell and look fantastical, if that's a word. And this is perfect with noodles, mashed rice, just about anything your little heart desires. Add a little more sauce or a little more of the cream, and you can have more sauce, whatever you like. It's just perfect. As a finishing touch, I'm going to garnish this up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys. Our ever so delicious Marry Me creamy chicken. Okay, my friends, let's dig in and give this a try. Make sure we get lots of that sauce on there. Oh my goodness, just look at this. Chicken done beautifully. That sauce looks so good. I say this all the time, but the sauce has really sold me. And the chicken is so tender. Just that creaminess is just absolutely incredible. The hot pepper flakes shine through. Just the seasoning does marry together perfectly. You're gonna love this. Absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna have more.